Raspberries are a delicious fruit that contain many health benefits. The raspberry juice is not as well known, but it's just as good for your body. In this video, we will discuss 5 benefits of raspberry juice and why you should drink it every day. 5 benefits of raspberry juice. 1. Reduces inflammation. Raspberries contain potent antioxidants that can reduce the effects of aging and inflammation. Inflammation is a huge risk factor for many chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis and obesity. These raspberry antioxidants also help to protect your body against damage from free radicals, which are usually caused by smoking or pollution. 2. Boosts brain function. Raspberries contain a significant amount of vitamin C, which helps to boost your immune system and improve mental clarity. The raspberry antioxidants also help protect against neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, strokes, or even dementia. 3. Promotes heart health. Studies have shown raspberry juice to reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries and help your body get rid of bad cholesterol. The raspberry antioxidants also decrease oxidation, which is a major cause of cardiovascular disease, atherosclerosis, and peripheral artery disease. 4. Improves digestion. Raspberries help to balance gut bacteria and reduce inflammation, which has been linked to digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome. The raspberry antioxidants also provide nutritional support for a healthy microbiome in the intestinal tract. 5. Boosts immune system. Raspberry juice is a potent source of vitamin C, which helps to promote healthy skin, teeth and gums. The raspberry antioxidants also help the body respond to an infection by fighting off free radicals from bacteria or viruses. As you can see, raspberry juice provides many important vitamins that support the human body to live a healthy life. It is great for reducing inflammation, improving cognitive abilities, protecting against neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease or dementia, balancing gut bacteria, and boosting the immune system.